Hey guys, welcome to the Voice of AI Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your words into amazing images using some of the coolest AI tools out there. We'll be looking at two image generation programs today, Bing Create and Dreamstudio. So get ready to be amazed by the power of AI. Let's dive in. So now I'm at bing.com create. So bing.com create transfers text to images. So now I'm going to join and create. You need to enter your Microsoft account here. So now I'm in and you can see here I have 25 free credits that I've got. Okay, so this is the site. There's a lot of nice imagery here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my prompt in here. So this is my prompt. I put in here an aerial drone view of Wembley Stadium in London on a rainy Champions League final in the evening. So what I'm going to do is create. Wow, so here are the images created. So I'm just going to click on the first one. So it's quite cool. The next one. Here's another one. So you get 4 images for 1 credit, and now I'm going to add to my prompt since I want it a bit more detailed and I want to get a closer view of my prompt. So now I want to change the perspective. So I'll put in there a rooftop view. Okay, so I've added a rooftop view here. And I'm also going to change it to the night. Okay, so I've got my album of the 4 pictures, and here are my next 4 pictures, as you see here. And you can also buy more credits, so you can enter your prompts. Okay, so now let's have a look at these pictures. They look really nice. So here it's a rooftop view, it's nighttime, and I've got the stadium here. So it's the next picture, next one. Okay, so now I'd like to get even closer to the stadium. So I'm gonna enter a new prompt. Okay, so now I've changed the perspective and I've written the perspective of a VIP box view of the Wembley Stadium in London on a rainy Champions League final night. So now I'm going to create it. Okay, so this is now cooler. We can see inside the stadium. It's a rainy night, as you can see here on the glass. Okay, so I don't really like this picture because these frames are blocking the view. So this picture is much better, as you can see, because we have no barriers, nothing blocking our view. There's no fans. So I'm now gonna adjust my prompt so there's many fans in here. Okay, so this image is not the best. It's focusing a lot on the table, not really the stadium, but there are fans here, so yeah. This is the same as the first one. Okay, so now I want a new perspective. I want it outside, so it's not in a box. So I've written a fan spectator view from the top of the Wembley Stadium. So now I'm going to create the prompt. Wow, okay, so now this is definitely something I would like. It's a nice rainy day. It's from the top of the view, but it hasn't given me the Wembley Stadium, so I'm a bit annoyed of that. This is also a fan spectator view. Now this is somewhere from like a real rooftop skyscraper. This is like from a blimp or something. I didn't really ask for this, so. And this is from a fan spectator view. But I'm not so happy with all these people in the view and in the spectator shots. Okay, so now I'm going to have one last attempt and I'm going to rewrite this entire prompt. So what I've written is a close-up wide-angled lens view of an overhead kick from Ronaldo at Wembley Stadium in London on a rainy Champions League final in the evening. So the reason why I've created this type of prompt is so it's very specific in detail and it'll give me exactly what I want. So now I'm going to create the prompt. Wow, so this is much more interesting. So this is really cool. It's an overhead kick of Ronaldo. It's not below, it's not above him, but it is below, but so I can see more specific detail on how it looks. It's the next picture. So it's quite cool. So I think the first one was the best, so I'm gonna choose the first one. Okay, so I'm gonna download this to my computer. Okay, so I'm really happy with this image. This is what Bing can do. And now we're going to try it out on Dreamstudio. Okay, so now I'm here at Dreamstudio. I'm going to get started. Okay, so now I'm going to register with Google. So here you can see on the top right, I have 25 credits. So here is the image area, and here I can put my prompt in. So here I'm going to go to one image because I don't want to use up all my credits at once. Okay, so now I have to press Dream for it to create the image. Okay, so this is more realistic. Okay, so it's pretty good. It's got what I've asked for. You can see the fans here in the background. So it's used up 0.8 of a credit. So now I'm going to put the image count to 4. And I'll see what it does for me now, so I can have more of a variety of photos and images. Okay, so now I'm going to generate the image. Okay, so here I've got my images. So this one's not that cool. This is not anything that I've asked for. This guy's hand is in the ball, but that can sometimes happen. So here is it's okay. So this is not really realistic. So I think I need to add the photo to be realistic in my prompt. So each program interprets the prompt in a different way. So I'm gonna have to enter a completely different prompt. Okay, this is my new prompt, a photorealistic image of an overhead goal by Ronaldo at Wembley Stadium in London. I'm going to take away the part where it says on a rainy day, on a rainy Champions League final in the evening, because I want it more to focus on the goal by Ronaldo. Okay, so now let's generate the images. Wow, so this is completely random. This is on a TV, so don't really like this, and it's not showing the goal. Okay, so now that I've taken out the rainy day and the fans and stuff, it's just generating wherever it wants, so it's in like a living room or something on a TV, so it's okay, it's okay. So this is completely random too. Okay, so these are like murals. But they're interesting, but I would like to more have one that's more on a football pitch. And this one is also, it's okay, it's pretty good, but it's very random. And so now I'm going to Dream. Okay, cool, so we have some grass finally. It's more of like an anime type series image. But it's good. It has the fans in the background, so that's cool. This is pretty cool because it also has an overhead kick. This image is nice because of also of the color, the fans everywhere. It's cool. And the last one, so this isn't really that good. There's no Ronaldo, no overhead kick, so not the best. So you can see here the 4 pictures can be very varied, so it's always better to have more pictures so you can have different perspectives of how the Dreamstudio creates the pictures. Let's do a review of what we've done today. So these are the pictures that we've gotten from Dreamstudio. So they're quite cartoonish, as you can see here. They are very anime, and this is what a Dreamstudio has generated for us. And here on Bing are more, none of these pictures are anime. So here we got 4 pictures of a stadium. Here we got another 4 pictures. These are from a rooftop view. This is from a VIP box. This is from a fan seat at the top of the stadium perspective. And this is an overhead kick. And these 4 are probably my favorite. And overall, I think this here is my favorite image. That's all from the Voice of AI Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the buttons below. Thanks, and I'll see you all next time.